These resources have been developed by Bishop's Conservatory Junior School thanks to Erasmus Plus funding. The aim of this video is to increase the automaticity and speed of reading words from the book in the title. If the child still has difficulties in blending the sounds or has some other difficulties in reading the given words, look for an adequate resource on the Secretariat for Catholic Education YouTube channel. Ask the children to practice the reading of words as quickly as possible as they appear on the screen. The same set of words shall be shown twice. The second time, the words shall appear faster. Repeat as necessary. Ready to read the same words again? Pay more attention since the words will appear at a faster rate than the previous.